Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the area and confirming power states. First, make sure the breaker feeding the generator is on and the incoming voltage is stable. You want known supply before touching anything. Once done, apply lockout/tagout and use gloves and eye protection to keep yourself safe. Then quickly inspect fuses, battery backup, and visible wiring for burns or loose terminals, because addressing these immediate faults saves time later and prevents repeated trips as you begin repairs. You'll now focus on the control module and sensors that run the night show. Run the controller diagnostics and write down any error codes so you know what to target. These codes point to failing boards, sensors, or communication errors. Next, measure output voltages and continuity at critical terminals to verify the module is commanding hardware correctly. If you have known good spare relays or sensors, swap them one at a time so you can isolate intermittent faults without tearing everything apart. You finish by installing replacement components and verifying the system under load. Replace the faulty board or relay, seat connectors fully, and torque terminals to spec. Loose connections cause recurring faults. Restore power and run the generator under a 5 to 15-minute load test while watching voltages, temperatures, and error logs. Once stable, perform the full show run-through and document the repair steps. If problems persist, isolate by testing with a minimal load and rechecking wiring harness continuity for intermittent breaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.